Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike, and today we've got an Amazon package. Yes, it's been a while since we did an Amazon unboxing, but it was my birthday recently and my mum very kindly got me an Amazon gift card. And as you know, I love gift cards from Amazon because I'm always shopping on there, and yeah, I just love the Amazon gift cards. So in here, I decided to buy a painting with it. It was a recommendation one that I've seen for a while, and I thought, yeah, I'll have that. Really nicely priced at £3, and it's going to look really nice, I should imagine. Now, oh, that's interesting. It's actually individually wrapped. Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting. Normally them bags, you've got the paint in there and then the bit drills, but they're not normally individually wrapped. But let's take a look at the painting itself. And in here, can you guess what it is? What the hell is all of that? So yeah, huge thanks to my mum who very kindly got me an Amazon gift card. I love gift cards because it allows you to like buy what you want, you know. So really, really lovely. So in here we have the canvas, and look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh wow, there's lots of blues in this, but as you can see, I don't know what it is. It's like a little boy, and he's like, it's like he's flicking a wand and sparking up the sky, but I think he's doing like a spell or something, and I thought that was quite good. You know, it gave me the sort of Harry Potter vibe, and yeah, it's like he's sort of like doing like a Wingardium Leviosa thing, although Wingardium Leviosa means to pick something up, but perhaps he's like doing a spell and it's lighting up the sky. But I just found it really cool. It sort of bring back a vibe of E.T., the extraterrestrial, because obviously E.T. goes, E.T. phone home. But obviously in this case he's not doing that, but I just thought it was fantastic. It was really, really nice, and as you can see up here, it's quite detailed, and it's going to be a lot of blue. It's a 30x40 there. We've got 18 colours on the Schematic, but I just love it. I think it's fabulous. And it's like he's standing on the beach, and this is like a rock or something. So, yeah, I thought it was a very interesting collection. Interesting painting. Now there is a massive collection of these. There's all sorts of different ones: pigs, goats, dragons, and I've actually got another one with my gift card that is coming tomorrow, so I can't wait to do that. And that's like a little dragon, so I can't wait to do that. So yeah, that's our painting. We've got our standard boat here, as you can see. I'll put that to one side, and these are our drills. Massive big pack of them, so really, really lovely here. And in here we have, are you ready to rumble? Now in here we've got the brown, the white, the lilac, very beautiful peach there, really lovely, and a blue, and a grey, and a brown, minty blue, a slightly stronger minty blue, and we've got a purple and a very nice dark blue. We've got a navy blue and a couple of blues there, a lighter blue, a couple of other blues there, and we've also got a browny colour, I think that is. Yeah, brown. Or is it an orange? I don't know. And then we've got a grey and a purple. So that is absolutely fabulous. Yeah, really happy with this. And as you can see, that is our painting. So huge thank you to my mum, who very kindly sent me a gift card for my birthday this year. And as I say, I have got another one to this collection. I will put the link in the description so you can see all the different paintings in this collection. But there is some really nice ones on there. You've got, there was one Halloween one that I actually saw as well, which was interesting. But thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. We'll see Amazon again soon. And don't forget to have a wonderful day. Until then, take care, and we'll see you next time. Salah.